Davidson Wildcats will get their first taste of tournament play tonight in our nation's capital.
Aldridge, French. Just got no chance. He's jab step, rocker step, bring it back, bury it.
And it's official now. Davidson makes its way to semifinals Saturday, where they'll take on the Bonnies of St. Bonaventure. Kellen's going to have to put it up. Does he have it in him? Yes, he does. Kellen Grady, dial it up.
See the post. Aldridge. He can't miss.
It's uncanny what he's been doing in the last two games.
Pritchett, another three. Yes! Keyshawn Pritchett has come to life.
Driving. Off the dribble. Grady floats it up. And there! Kellen Grady with a beautiful move to the rim. High school quarterback tosses it in, and it's over! Davidson is going to the dance! They win the Atlantic 10 Tournament Championship.